Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how to add a cover page in your MS Word file. For that simply we need to go to open our Word file, and here I'm going to select the blank document and then go to the insert option, and from here you can see the cover page option. Click here. So there are a lot of options for the cover pages, so you can select according to your requirement, according to your wish. So for that, here I'm going to select this one, and this is here you can see this is my cover page, and I need to edit my text. So simply I need to click here and add any text I want. So here I'm going to select this and I'm going to add the cover page here. Uh, yeah, I'm going to add my channel name. So from here you can see I easily type the Infinity Tech here and my complete cover page is shown here. So for this you can add, if you want to add another thing, go and select cover page from here, and if you want to remove the current cover page then you go to the remove. Here you can see my cover page is simply removed by one click, and I'm going to add this one now. Here you can see the new cover page is add here. So by using this simple step, you can easily add new cover page, you can edit it, and you can remove it. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.